Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll be focusing on how to create a campaign, helping you understand how to use the system effectively. Let's jump right in. First, log in to Parsimony and navigate to the CRM module. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Campaign tool, your gateway to effective campaign management, and click on it. Now, you're on the campaign page. This is where we can see any existing campaigns. To create a new one, click on the Add Campaign button, located at the top right corner of the screen. In this new campaign form, we start by filling in some essential details. First, give your campaign a name. Let's use New User Onboarding. Next, is the campaign schedules. Click Add Row button and select Email Template for your campaign email. Enter a description for your campaign. Once you are satisfied with your content, take a moment to review if your content looks good. Go ahead and click the Save button located at the top right. After saving, observe that your campaign is now listed on the Campaigns page. Congratulations! You've successfully created a campaign in the CRM module of Parsimony. Remember, engaging new users through effective campaigns can significantly enhance their onboarding experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.